Hey there, see this? 111 subs, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you for that. And today we're talking audio. In this specific case, how to mute your audio tracks inside Premiere Pro. And let's jump into Premiere, and I will show you about 4 ways how you can mute your audio tracks inside it. Let's go. So guys, I already imported our audio inside Premiere Pro, and first method that we're going to use is this mute track button. So what it does, it mutes whole track. For example, if we have here like this track or copy of it, it's all will be muted. So let's unmute this and hear without muting. Simple audio. So you can hear there's a dialogue here, and if I mute it, and if I go forward, the track is still going to be muted. So this is method number 1. And for, let's call it a bonus, so you can use this solo track. And what it does basically, let's move this down. It mutes everything but this track. So everything else but this track will be muted. So let's go here and let's go to different parts. So you cannot hear anything. So this is about the solo track. And for example, if we have, let's drag this up. If we have 2 audios and I want to mute only this thing, I can no longer use the mute track button because it will mute everything else. So what I want to do instead, I want to right click and go to this enable and click on it. So you can see that it disables this track. So if we hear, let's just mute those tracks, and if we hear this, and if we go here, you can see that it is no longer playable, it is deactivated. If we go and enable it, we can still hear it, and if we disable it, so this is method number 2, and let's enable this. And there's also another way that you can do it. Let's go to our audio 1-1, and what you want to do is go to the levels and go to like -281 dB, and the track will be silent for you. So this is another way how you can mute tracks separately. So let's go to the 0, and it will create the keyframes for you. So if you want to go gradually from silent to something like full audio, you can go like something like this, go a bit up and go to the 0. And that way it will go like from simple audio record silent to full audio. Okay, so for another method, we want to go to the audio tab, and here you can see that audio track mixer. So what we have here, this is audio 1, audio 2, audio 3, and audio 4. And if you can see like A1 as this one. So if I lower this thing here, I can no longer hear this audio anymore. So this track. So it's kind of like mute track thing. And you can go reset this by double clicking on the slider, and it will go to the 0. And now you can hear everything. And you can also see the controls here, like mute track, solo track, enable track for recording. So this is another way to like mute your audio tracks. So if you go to -infinity, it will be muted. And for reset, just double click on it. And there's another method that I don't use personally because I find this kind of annoying for me. So it's about this tags. So I can assign a tag to my audio. Let's assign this dialogue to my audio. and I can go down. You can see this mute. And if I click this, so it is muted, and you can see that it is deactivated. For example, if this is audio track, I can go and like the music track, sorry. I can assign the music tag to it, and I can mute it and unmute this track. So you can see this one and this one is muted. But for my personal use, I find this like unusable for me. And basically, this is it. So, this is it for today's tutorial, and I hope you like it. And if yes, you know the drill, put the thumbs up. It will help a ton to this channel to grow up. And I will be able to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.